I'm going to show you the top 3 AI tools that'll boost your SEO rankings. The hours spent on manual keyword research, content optimization, and technical fixes can now be done faster and smarter with AI tools. Watch till the end. I'll show you the AI tool that can automate nearly all your SEO, making it basically hands-free. Let's get to it. First is Labrika, the best AI for technical SEO. Before you focus on content, you need to make sure your site is technically sound. Labrika scans your site for critical issues like slow page load times, broken links, duplicate content, and missing meta tags. Even if you're not an SEO expert, Labrika makes technical SEO simple by giving you clear steps to fix any issues it finds. Technical SEO is the foundation for better rankings, and if your site isn't functioning properly, all the content in the world won't help you. With Labrika, you can ensure that your site is optimized for performance and user experience, which is key for ranking higher on Google. Next, let's talk about SEOwriting.ai. Once your site is technically sound, you need optimized content to rank. This AI tool helps you generate high quality SEO optimized content in minutes. All you do is enter a topic and it writes an entire article with relevant keywords while keeping the tone natural and conversational for users. SEOwriting.ai makes sure your content meets Google's search intent requirements, meaning the AI generates content that matches what users are really looking for. This helps you bring in more traffic, improve conversions, and rank higher in search results. Now that your content's ready, it's time to check out the competition. RivalFlow is an AI tool that tracks your top competitors, analyzing their content and SEO strategies. RivalFlow gives you insights into what's working for them and shows you where you can outperform them. Instead of guessing what you should focus on, RivalFlow gives you the exact steps needed to outrank your competitors. Whether it's improving your content or adjusting your strategy, this AI helps you stay ahead in your niche. Finally, here's the AI that takes things to the next level, Alli.ai. Imagine having your SEO work done automatically. Alli.ai does just that. It handles everything from on-page optimization to internal linking and even link building. It constantly scans and updates your website to keep it optimized based on the latest SEO updates. Alli.ai is perfect if you want to set up your SEO strategy and let AI take care of the rest. From tweaking your content to adjusting meta tags, this tool works in the background 24/7 so you can focus on growing your business. With Labrika fixing technical issues, SEOwriting.ai creating optimized content, RivalFlow helping you outrank your competitors, and Alli.ai automating the entire process, you got everything you need to max out your SEO. These AI tools make SEO faster, smarter, and much more effective.